It's a dynamite dino. We want it all.
Dinosaur trains are weekdays.
Really? New key? Yeah! Catch Dinosaur Train. Weekdays on PBS Kids, where you play one at pbskids.org.
Take a look inside the PBS Kids Games app, where every day you can find something new.
Game of the day!
Purple Panda's Space Bop. Time to fly to Planet Purple. Ayo!
Play games in English or Spanish.
Fiesta con alma. ¡Mua! Delicioso!
Plus, there's a special offline mode so you can take games with you wherever you go. It's all on the free PBS Kids Games app. Download today.
Travel the solar system with Jet and friends on Ready, Jet, Go.
Hey! Today is all kinds of weather. Yeah, it's all kinds of weather picnic. But the cold to do on the winter, and I was wondering in the summer. Do you have all kinds of weather ammo? Yes, sure you did. With all kinds of weather today on Sesame Street.
As a proud sponsor of Sesame Street,